So for this question, you were asked to identify the statement that was false. Um, and what you would need to do is to be able to identify all the features of the function. So when we look at this function, what are some things that we can notice? Well, there are three x-intercepts, which is going to be where your graph is crossing your x-axis. So there's one at negative 5, 0, which is right here. There is one at negative 4.50, and there's another one at positive 5.50. Um, Another thing that is true in terms of the feature of this function is that the y-intercept is occurring at 0, 4, so it's where the graph is crossing the y-axis. The minimum value of the function is going to be the lowest point on the graph, which is going to be right there, and that is going to be negative 3. The maximum value of this function is going to be the highest point on the graph, which is right here, and that is y is equal to 6. So for minimum and maximum value, we focus on the output values. On one increasing interval is occurring on this graph, and that is from x is equal to negative 4 to x is equal to negative 2. And there are three decreasing intervals in this graph. So there is one here, there is one here, and there's another one here. And the intervals are listed here. The statement that was false was the one that said the decreasing interval was from negative 4 to negative 2. This was actually the increasing interval. So this was the false statement.